Good morning and welcome to America's Home Cooking. My son got a package for me. Okay, this is sugarcane, okay? I'll show you it. I'm going to show you how to make sugarcane syrup. Okay, this is where our sugars and stuff come from. This is going to take more than one part because it takes me 2 days to make this. Sugarcane is wide and it's a long stick, okay? Now, you can buy them like that and cut them. They're very fibrous. This is where we get our sugar, molasses, and stuff from, so understand that. What they do is they cut it in little pieces after they strip the outer bark off, and this is what I've got. Now, because sugarcane is very, very fibrous, you cannot grind this up or anything else. You're going to have to boil the sugar out of this, and that's where you get sugarcane syrup from. Now, I'll show you how I'm going to cut them, and then I'll show you the fibers. Okay, I am going to cut them in strips. The thinner they are, the easier it is to cook the sugar out. If you try cooking it out like this in these big pieces, you'll be at it forever. So what I do is I'm going to cut it in thin strips. Okay? Now, if you take a piece of this, and this is a sweet way of, if you're hungry and you want something sweet, people in the West Indies will just take a piece of this, or take the sugar cane, rip the outer part off and chew on it. And I'm going to chew on this. And you can actually taste the sugar. Now, when the sugar is done, and the sugar's all gone, you have all this fiber, just throw it away. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil it out. I've pressure cooked it and boiled it, and it still takes a long time. So I'm going to be doing a lot of this, just cutting this in strips, because the smaller the strips, the better. And I'm cutting in the direction of the fibers, because the fibers grow like this, because they cut it across way like this, so I cut it like this. So you cut with the fibers and the directions of the fibers. You need a sharp knife for this. I'll do this way, boiling it first, and then I'll show you how to do it pressure cooked. I hope they still have it, because I do one package at a time. Now I'm going to continue cooking this whole package. Okay, let me finish cutting this package up, and I'll be back and show you what we do next. Okay, I've cut them in sticks, very thin sticks. Also, make sure you go with the grain, because you go across the grain, it's much harder to work with because you've got the fibers. Now I'm going to fill this pot up with water. Just cold water. Now I'm going to put it on a flame, and I am going to bring this to a boil. Now now I am going to boil that all day. As the water evaporates, you keep adding water to it for the whole day. By the end of the day, I will sit there and I'll show you how you can test if you have actually cooked the sugar out of the sugar cane. And if it's not, we will boil it again tomorrow and then reduce it. It usually takes 2 days, but I'll show you. Now I want you to taste one of these pieces before you start cooking it, because I want you to be able to chew it and taste the sugar in it, because we're going to be cooking this sugar out, and the only way you're going to know that you've done it is by tasting one of those sticks and how much sugar it is. When it comes down to point where the sticks have a funny taste, I'll describe that as we move through these videos. This is going to be more than one video, so this is going to be part 1 of what we're going to be doing. So I'll see you in part 2.